Hey guys, how are we doing today? Today we're going to be talking about goal setting, okay? So the first thing that I would like you to do is I would like you to take a note card, piece of paper, whatever, and for board work today, I am going to have you write down one goal, okay? I don't care what it's about, just write down one goal that you would like to obtain. All right, let's get started. What's going on here? Okay. All right, what are goals? Okay, according to Latham and Locke, goals are the object or aim of an action. For example, to attain a specific standard of proficiency, usually within a specified time. The things I want you to remember here are specified time. Okay, with the new year coming around and people hitting up the gyms, I found this statistic to be pretty interesting. According to the U.S. News, 80% of New Year's resolutions fail by February. 80%. That is crazy. That means that many people are not setting obtainable goals. So why is this? Think about that. I had to start over. All right, so when creating our goals, we need to look at S.M.A.R.T, okay? This is where we ask ourselves, is my goal specific? Is it measurable? Is it something I can attain? Is it relevant and is it timely? Okay, when we set down our goals, it allows us to clarify our ideas, focus on our tasks, use our time wisely, and it also helps us increase our chance for change. All right, so specific. Is my goal specific? Okay, now I'd like you guys to raise your hand. Let me know. I'm going to choose on somebody. Let me know a goal that you chose. You chose to become a better runner? Okay, so is that specific? Probably not, right? Because all of us can run. So maybe your goal should be, I'd like to run a mile, okay? That would be an obtainable goal, or a specific goal. Unless you can already run a mile, then maybe you need to say, I like to run 6 miles, I'd like to run 10 miles, whatever. Okay, so is it specific? Is your goal measurable? Are there milestones that you can meet along the way? Okay, so let's go back to the example of running 1 mile. Okay. Let's say you want to run a faster mile time. Okay. That's not obtainable, or that's not measurable, because I can say faster, but what does that mean? I don't know where I'm starting at. Okay. And how much faster would I like to get? So instead of that, let's say I'd like to take 10 seconds off my time every time I go out for a run, or I'd like to take 30 seconds off my time by spring break. That would be a measurable goal. Is your goal obtainable? Okay. Is this something, if you're not a runner, it's probably not realistic for you to go out and run a mile, or run 6 miles, or run 10 miles. So is this something that you can do? Is it relevant? Okay. Is your goal meaningful to you? Why would you like to attempt this goal? Are you trying out for the track team? Are you wanting to improve your mile time in PE? What is it that makes you want to complete this goal? If we don't create meaningful goals, the chances of us completing them go down. And is this something that you can reach in a timely manner? Okay, so if you are looking to try out for the track team in a week, I mean, your chances, you might be able to get yourself to run a mile in a week. It might be tough, but that would be something that is timely. Is it attainable to everybody? Probably not. Okay, so we need to look at getting these things done in a timely manner. We also don't want to allow ourselves to have too much time, because that gives us time to set back our goals. All right. You have to set goals that are almost out of your reach. If you set a goal that is attainable without much work or thought, you're stuck with something below your true talent and potential. That was by Steve Garvey. So how does this apply to health? What things can we look at in our own health to create goals to better ourselves? Your goals can be physical, they can be mental, social, financial, long-term, or short-term. So for your homework tonight, I would like you to come up with 1 to 2 health-related goals in nutrition, fitness, and lifestyle. Okay, when I say lifestyle, I'm talking about sleep, the things we're doing on the weekend, social, maybe it's getting off your phone, whatever. And plans to obtain them in each of these categories. These are things that I would like you to reach by spring break. Okay, I feel like that's giving you plenty of time. So just make sure they're attainable. That is all I got for you today. Thank you. I'll see you guys tomorrow.